Afterwards, I'm going to prepare the cucumber and the tomatoes. With the tomatoes, I like to remove the seeds. If you want to leave the seeds in yours, it's up to you. But I like to remove the seeds for my salad. Then I'm going to chop the tomato in some bite size. You can chop them however you please, but this is how I like to chop my tomatoes. Afterwards, I'm going to prepare some grapes. Yes, I'm also going to add some grapes. So this is a mixture of fruits and vegetables. Very easy to make and it is very healthy. So after chopping the grapes, you want to also ensure that you remove the seeds if you're using seeded grapes. Then I'm going to shred my carrot. You can always increase the portion size, but this is a one serving, so it's really a one-time use, right? After shredding my vegetables, this is how my plate is looking. Very colorfully decorated.